Did it go top after that one this time? Like, should I get up there?
I don't think so.
What happened?
No, Blubba get there.
He did make it, right?
I'm on bottom.
No, I meant
After
like
this.
for the next.
Oh yeah, I made it up there.
Yeah, she just didn't have a healer last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
We
No,
made
I'm not saying you fucked up. You didn't. You're amazing. You're a fucking all-star.
I am.
Yeah, I mean, we were talking shit on me. I think I'm supposed to heal in this fight or some shit.
Ah, get the. What is that?
I'm here.
Like in the middle of the fuck. I'm mid. What the fuck? That's fucked up. Oh, I thought you said lob, not blob.
Why is this guy not dead yet?
Because everyone is who knows where. Dead. Now, mid need help.
Am I going mid?
I have mid right now, but I don't know.
So I need to go bottom.
I don't.
Yeah, bottom. Take care of the ray. The ray. Ow. Bats.
You want lust on bats?
Bats are gonna be top, right? Or
Yes, please. Then middle.
Oh, shit, that green shit stays on the ground.
Yeah. And that be
Oh God,
You all right down there?
something's
No.
fucking me.
they hit hard.
There's a bunch of them making their way right through, not getting slowed. Those bastards. Bats are down though.
What's this purifier? Is this part of heroic crap?
Yeah.
I got ads
Take
on
care.
me, lots of them. In mid.
Lava.
What?
When he casts that ability, get out of the front. Hit hard.
Okay, that's probably what hurt me.
I couldn't
My
heal
back
you,
up
so
top.
I ran out of that green shit.
It,
There's guys getting to the middle.
Yep, they're coming from middle.
It looked like they were coming from top.
Did more come from top that we didn't see?
oh, dang it. Where do those come from?
Stand in the blue circle.
So is top not popping, or is he going?
I'm right now fighting on Eonar. We got
Top,
more
yeah,
bats that
top.
are coming to the mid.
On bot. Someone on bot. Bottom.
Like nothing's popping up here.
Yep, mid's got ads. I want to get over there.
Top. Turn around, love.
Okay. Oh yeah, there he is.
Stay in the circle.
I gotta stay up here and tank the big guys, so we need to clear up these ads and get on them.
She's getting awfully close.
Eonar's only at 37%, but we're getting really close to finishing too. We're at like almost 80.
I need at least one more DPS up here.
For some reason, I have too many near me, and I don't know why, because it's
I
just
can't
a big guy.
kill this thing by myself.
I'm
Yes, we can.
Bessie on bottom. Loba, where are you?
I'm up top with the big guy.
On my way. Give me a second.
I only met too many just because I didn't really need it if there were like ads, but there's not, I don't think, except for bottom. There's like one, so we're all right. It's okay if we can sit there tanking the big guys for a second. 98%, guys. We just have to kill a few more of these whores. Oh, that's it. We did it. I think.
Done?
Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks God.
That was so close.
Oh man, I fucking won 38 gold. I love it.
Don't worry, I'll get some.
Nice smooth.
Oh, fat. I needed that, boy.
Well, nice.
Freaking set piece, but just much better.
Nice smooth.
Hey, so pay attention to that mage's loot, because loot is not displaying for me on people who loot. But any clothies that loot some shit, I could totally take it.
It's only showing a few people on me.
Wait. Smooth.
Smooth is not
Blav, did you get anything?
No. No on this one. Well, the portal.
No, I run back like a fucking champ.
I'm
I
still
always
as
forget.
you can talk to Eonar and you get teleport.
I got 2 pieces.
I'm too good to talk to that bitch.
Ring and a tier set.
Sure to give me wings. I don't need to get a port from her too.
Oh, damn, the good shaman left.
Fuck you.
Almost everyone left.
It's okay, Yali added me as friend, so I'm no big deal.
We are 13 now, so
Yeah, we could honestly do 229 and be fine.
yeah.
Can't we? Yeah.
Letty is too OP, so she can heal 3 more.
That's how I want you to be.
Oh, now he's a good showmy.
Oh, nice.